They're working on it. Somebody, I don't know who spotted it first though. Who saw it first?
Let Anthony get it. He can get it. Don't use the poop rake.
Kiki?
No, he's not. Have faith in him.
Oh, look at that. Wow. Stretch Armstrong. Did they go on that side already? Did you guys check the whole yard already? Kiki, did you guys check the whole yard already, all the way around?
That's the first place I went.
That's a...
I got more.
All done, Nina? You guys sure you're all done? Did you get over there on that side?
Oh, yeah, I checked over there.
Okay.
Hi, Dad. You weren't supposed to take a picture of me. I was just saying hi.
Yeah, I'm all done.
Okay. Oh, look, she got another one.
I thought, no.
Okay, where'd your money go?
What?
Seriously, you're drinking Coke?
I need to wake up. I didn't.
Wow.
I broke my rule.
I haven't seen you drink a Coke in like a long time.
Usually the only time I'll drink Coke is if there's Jack Daniels in it. But I think today's an exception.
Okay, I'm gonna move along with the alcohol talking.
There you go.
Yeah, oh, there you go. I shouldn't say anything. You're of age. You're of the age.
I'm 20.
Oh, okay, well that's right, because then that makes me younger too.
No,
I used to know how to do it in my teeth.
ooh, don't even do that.
Oh, it's video. Okay, Tricky Dicky.
It's an...
Oh God, that is wrong. That was like 3D, 4D.
Is your food ready? Chicken again? There's meat.
You got a lot of
Did you get money? No?
Yeah.
Okay.
How much is it now?